Are you experiencing frame drops, high ping, and high input delay? If so, this video is perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost your FPS, lower your input delay, and lower your ping with this free and easy to use tweaking utility. This application will optimize your computer for games such as Fortnite, Valorant, and GTA 5. If this video helped you guys at all, our premium panels completely optimize your PC for the best possible performance and lowest possible latency on your computer. Rickson Tweaks has over 1,000 reviews on our Discord server and is constantly getting new vouchers every day. You can check it out at ricksontweaks.com and make sure to use code LUNA for 10% off of your order. First thing you guys want to do is join the Discord server and then link in the description below. Next, you guys want to find yourself to the free Tweaks channel and then download Rickson free v11.2.bat. I'm going to hit download on verified file. Then I'm going to drag it to my desktop. Just so you guys know, this file is completely open source, so you can right click and edit it and then look at your code yourself so you can see it's not malicious at all. And to prove it to you guys, I'm going to go into VirusTotal. And I'm going to drag the file into VirusTotal. As you can see, you got no detections, and if I go to behavior, it has no detections found, so that means it's not doing anything malicious to your computer. And now I'm going to right click, run as administrator, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a restore point. This is so that if anything bad happens to your computer, you can do a system restore back to its original settings. Now I'm going to go to Windows settings by hitting 2 and then enter. You guys can look up what every single one of them does, but I'm just going to hit A to apply all, enter, continue. Now I'm going to go back to main menu by hitting X. Now for game priority, I'm going to do 3 then enter. And the only game I play is Fortnite, so I'm going to hit 1 then enter, press any key. Now I'm going to go to power play by hitting 4 then enter. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go back to main menu by hitting 5. Now for an Ethernet tweak, I'm going to hit 5 then enter. Before doing the bloat, make sure you do not use any of the following apps shown on the screen. I use some of these apps, so I'm not going to do it. Now I'm going to hit 7 then enter for GPU tweaks, and to check what type of GPU you have, right click and go to Task Manager, go to Performance. If it says NVIDIA, then you would do it NVIDIA. If it says AMD or Radeon, you would use number 1 for Radeon. But I have NVIDIA, so I'm going to hit 2 then enter. Now I'm going to hit 6 to apply all the tweaks. Now I'm going to go to Rain Tweaks by hitting 8 then enter. And then I'm going to hit A to apply all. Now I'm going to press any key. Now I'm going to go back to the main menu. Now I would do Discord debloat, but I do not want my Discord to shut down right now, so I'm not going to do it. And then for the Wi-Fi tweak, I'm going to hit 10 then enter. I'm going to hit A to apply all. And press any key to continue. I'm going to hit exit. That's it for the free tweaks. Just make sure to restart your PC and you should be good to go. If you guys want to try out Rickson Tweaks, you can go to the link in the description below and use code LUNA for 10% off.